Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we learned how you can write macro code to group or ungroup rows or columns. If you haven't seen it yet and you don't know how to do it with VBA, you can go back to my channel and learn it. Today we will see how we can export data from Excel in a PDF format, right? So on my screen, you see uh, the table which we are going to export, column B, C, D, right? And on the right hand on my screen, you see VB editor where I have already written code for you guys. So how this PDF functionality work is basically it will export whatever is selected in your print area. So I'll just show you the print area for this. Right, so this is still 25 numbers are here. Okay, let's go back to the VB editor. How you have to write the code is you have to give the sheet name. Here I'm using sheet name or sheet number. Here I'm using active sheet, but since this export to PDF is sheet 6, you can also write sheet 6 and then dot and the remaining code, right? So I have written active sheet and then you have to write dot export as fixed format, then space, then type, colon is equal to Excel type PDF, right? Then comma. Then you have to mention the file name. Although this is not compulsory, it's optional. If you don't give the file name, the PDF that will come, that will have the name similar to your file, the Excel file. And the last option is again optional. You have to specify whether you want to open the PDF after it's get published or you don't want to open. So if you want to open, as you can see, I have done true so that we can see how this is coming up. So yeah, you can do false here if you don't want to see it for now. Okay, so I'll just run this code. And this code that I'm showing you right now is of simply only exporting one sheet. If there are more than one, that is the second part of my macro, where I'll show you how we can export more than one sheets at the same time to PDF. So this will take a while to export. So just so that it is processing on the back end. Okay, so as you can see, the PDF name is now training demo, which was given in the code. And this page that we were looking at is now exported in PDF version. Okay, but this is only one page as you can see because I have only used active sheet to export. Now let's see what we can do if we have more than one sheets to export. So for that, you will have to create array of sheets, which you can do similar to what I have done on my screen. So you have to first write sheets, then bracket open, then array, then again bracket open, and then you have to give the name of the sheets that you want to export. So I have three worksheets in this file with the name removing duplicates, hide unhide, and export to PDF. So these are also my previous videos which I showed you. So I have just saved them as a different worksheet. So I'll export them all now. So first I have to select them all, right? So I'll do that. And the next line is almost same, but I have only changed the PDF name because I wanted to keep it different, right? So at this moment, when you are selecting sheets through array, Excel creates a group of these sheets. So after that, it is necessary that you ungroup them. How you ungroup the sheets is you can basically select any of the sheets. So that is the next code in my VBA. I have selected export to PDF sheet so that this sheet remains selected. So just wait for a few seconds and the PDF will be up. As you see, it's already publishing, and I can now show you that. See, we have selected three sheets, so now it has 3 pages. This is the remove duplicate sheet. On the second, we have group ungroup, and the third one is export to PDF, which is current sheet we were looking at, right? So pretty simple. You can practice it on your end, and feel free to reach out to me in comments if you have any questions around this. Uh, that's it. Requesting you all to please subscribe to my channel as I'll keep sharing more such videos. Also, you can share this with your friends and family so they can also learn all this interesting stuff. Thank you very much.